What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to Mark's house. We're going to install some parts for the G35. Also, I got to make a run to go get some parts for the spark plugs that I'm about to do next week. So stay tuned, but let's do a cold start for the G35. So y'all know it wouldn't be right if I don't start this video with a couple of pulls. It's a little baby one. Got a 392. I see you, boy. I ain't gonna lie though, one thing about this muffler delete, if you decide to do a muffler delete real quick, you're gonna hear a lot of drum. That's the only thing I hate about with the muffler delete on this G35. It's a lot of drum, but besides that, it sounds really good from the outside though. Not gonna lie, you get the little pops and stuff like that. It sounds really cool. The little burbles. So y'all can see we at Infiniti right now. Finna go ahead and go see what this part gonna be hitting for these parts. See what's up, man. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got the spark plugs, which is NGK, the brand spark plug, whatever. So I got 6 of them for my spark plug replacement next week. My bad, y'all, I done left my phone in the dealership. I'm certified a old head, but anyways, like I was saying, I got some wipers that I'm about to replace on a G35 today as well. So a lot of parts stuff coming up, and got all the parts right here what I'm about to do today. So y'all definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna show the parts when I get to Mark's house. But I'm really excited for next week, man. I've been wanting to do this spark plug change for a minute. They don't really recommend it until you hit 105K, but like I said, gas is my issue, man. I'm so excited, but now I'm gotta be on my way to Mark's because we're finna go ahead and do a full detail. He's gonna do the headlight restoration. We're gonna do car wash, you know, making everything look good. And we're also gonna put these parts on here. So I'll show you what that does, what that's gonna look like on the car. So, you know, we upgrade little by little, we upgrading. So see y'all when we get to Mark's. Good girl, got a new car, y'all. Got a new Lexus, man. We up here cleaning it up, making it look right, man. This day his and hers car, you know what I'm saying? Nice, and it got the gold package on it. LS 400. We still gotta do a review to this though. This 50, man. I kinda do want a 50 though. I was real close to buying one not too long ago, but I didn't pull the trigger. But yeah, I gotta get this on a Carventure Reg reviews. Comment, should I get a 50 as my old school? Because I do want to add an old school to the channel. Not right now, but soon. Should I get an old school? Let me know. But it's 50 nice, for sure. I'm rocking with it. Now it's finally time to wash the G35. Because Lord knows she needs it. And I'm gonna show you why. Nah, but like I was saying, y'all, let's see, man. Got caked up brake dust, man. It's all dirty. So go ahead and get it right. Look at this. That's how dirty it is. We're gonna be putting on this side marker on today. Take out that old one. Put this one in there. Then we have the carbon fiber mirror caps that we're gonna be putting on today. So want to buy this for these headlights, so when he get done you know, restoring them or whatever, I have to kind of like at least wipe them like once a week to try to keep on, you know, try to keep that look pretty much. But you know it's bad when they got the your car on the bottom. Say, dang. got done with this, the headlight restoration. Here. It's looking clean. So now we gotta keep it that way.
I pitch wisdom for the kidsdom. Solid as a prism, keeps a funky rhythm. If I want it, I go and get it. My blood thicker than water, we up like a zipper. My jeans seams got ashes from the plane. I'm elevating and crashing in the bed, but instead I hit my rooftop and watch the world go. Penning this shit inside my journal. Look up at the stars as I burn slow. Head to the Ville over by Strauss. We in the house with the herbo. As I throw on my starter, once my ignition start up, it's go time. And we ain't even hit our prime in no time. In the city living, spending past our limits. Put my all up in it, only play to win it. What's the status quo, what's the scenario? Kicking mad flavors, we don't save a dough. Put them to the side like a page of dough. Cut them off clean like a tape.
Ooh. Look at it. It's looking clean. It's looking clean. Shout out to my bro Mark. Like I always say, if y'all need a detail, go ahead and hit him up. Link is in the description. So as you can see, put the lights on. They look cool. And the car is clean. That's how it's looking. We weren't supposed to put the mirror caps on. Well, we actually did, but it only went to like right here. So this part, this black was still showing and stuff. So I'm gonna have to go see about that. See if I can get my money back or something. But as you can see, the car is clean. Car is clean, the rims is clean. Look at it. Ooh, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. It's looking real nice. Appreciate Mark, like I always say. Link is down below if you want to watch by him. Yeah, we looking good. Looking real good. Now, let's be on our way. Let me show you with the lights on. This is how it looks if the headlights are on. Got that white, so it's gonna match that white right there. No more orange. Yep. Looks fire. Now, let me know in the comments, should I change this grill? I was thinking about doing a carbon fiber grill right here, so let me know if I should do that. And then since those mirror caps turned out to be trash, I think I'm gonna wrap the mirrors in carbon fiber. Let's be on our way. Cool little productive day. Ooh, hold on. Cool little productive day. Got a lot of stuff done. Nah, but it looks good as usual. Like I always say, man, go hit up my boy. Link is down below if y'all want your wash, and if you live in the Bay Area, or at least the East Bay, or if you feel like driving, Bay Area period. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Nothing too much going on today. We just, you know, got the car washed, went to go get the parts. Oh, I also put the new wipers on. So as you can see, the new wipers is on. So now your boy can be out in the rain driving his car, because before they would just smear it, wouldn't even like clear it up. So now that that's on there, perfect. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned to the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topics, no stopping. Got me